What is Bill Gates' full name? A. William Charles Gates III. B. William Henry Gates III. C. William Howard Gates III. It's William Henry Gates III. In which year was Bill Gates born? A. 1955. B. 1960. C. 1950. Yes, it's 1955. What is the name of the software company Bill Gates co-founded? A. Apple. B. Google. C. Microsoft. It's Microsoft. Where was Bill Gates born? A. Seattle, Washington. B. New York City. C. San Francisco. It's Seattle, Washington. Who was Bill Gates' co-founder in Microsoft? A. Steve Jobs. B. Paul Allen. C. Larry Page. Yes, it's Paul Allen. Which university did Bill Gates drop out of? A. Harvard University. B. Yale University. C. Stanford University. It's Harvard University. What was the first software program sold by Bill Gates? A. MS-DOS. B. Basic Interpreter. C. Windows 1.0. It's Basic Interpreter. What is the name of Bill Gates' wife? A. Linda Gates. B. Miranda Gates. C. Melinda Gates. Yes, it's Melinda Gates. What philanthropic organization did Bill Gates establish? A. Gates Foundation. B. The Giving Pledge. C. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. It's the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. In which year was Microsoft founded? A. 1980. B. 1975. C. 1970. Yes, it's 1975. Which book did Bill Gates publish in 1995? A. The Road Ahead. B. Brave New World. C. Pride and Prejudice. It's The Road Ahead. What is the Bill Gates estimated IQ? A. 160. B. 150. C. 145. Yes, it's 160. In which country did Bill Gates become the richest person in 1995? A. USA. B. UK. C. China. Yes, it's USA. What programming language did Gates work on at the start of his career? A. Fortran. B. Basic. C. C++. Yes, it's Basic. What operating system was first released by Microsoft? A. Windows 3.1. B. MS-DOS. C. Unix. It's MS-DOS. How many children does Bill Gates have? A. 3. B. 4. C. 2. Yes, he has 3 children. What year did Bill Gates step down as CEO of Microsoft? A. 2000. B. 2008. C. 2015. It's 2000. What title did Bill Gates hold for many years in the Forbes list? A. Richest innovator. B. Richest man in the world. C. Richest CEO. Yes, it's richest man in the world. What is the title of Bill Gates' 2021 book? A. The Future of Life. B. How to Avoid a Climate Disaster. C. Sustainability Goals. It's How to Avoid a Climate Disaster. What was the nickname of Bill Gates in school? A. Coder King. B. Trey. C. Micro Genius. Yes, it's Trey. What year did Gates and Allen write Altair Basic? A. 1975. B. 1972. C. 1980. It's 1975. What is the name of Gates' investment company? A. Cascade Investment. B. Gates Ventures. C. Bridgewater Associates. It's Cascade Investment. What field is Bill Gates actively involved in after Microsoft? A. Healthcare and education. B. Technology innovation. C. Climate change. Yes, it's climate change. What gaming console did Microsoft launch during Gates' tenure? A. PlayStation. B. Xbox. C. GameCube. Yes, it's Xbox. What is Bill Gates' net worth as of 2023 approximately? A. $90 billion. B. $114 billion. C. $150 billion. It's $114 billion.